y'all, it's Bella. So I wanted to share my Sephora haul with y'all from the spring savings event. So I'm a VIB, so I got 15% off of everything. I do not spend enough money yet to be a rouge and get 20% off. So let's just get right into it. So I'm going to start with the skincare. The first thing I got was this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Gel Cleanser. So it came in this box. So like I said, it's a gel cleanser. This is the mini. I just wanted to try it since it was a cleanser with actives in it. Just something I wanted to try. The next thing I got was this Fenty Skin. I was about to say Fenty Beauty. Fenty Skin Flash Nap Instant Revival Eye Gel Cream and the Eye Tool. So this, you really gotta watch this because it's always sold out with the tool. So this is a little eye massage tool. Ooh, it's so cool. How do they do that? So it's like a little steel roller piece and it's so cold to the touch. Like I didn't think, I don't know what I was expecting, but it is really cold. I can't wait to actually use this. Like this is gonna be nice. I'm excited. And then of course the eye cream. Let me see. So it has a little pointy applicator like that. I'm just gonna see how it, oh, that's nice. It has a very light fragrance. It's very pleasant. I like that. I think I'm really gonna enjoy this. I'm really gonna enjoy this. This was a pretty penny, okay? But I was like, I'm gonna just do it. I like that. I enjoy that. The next thing I got was this Glow Recipe, the niacinamide drops. So it came in this box like this. Oops, I ripped it. Oh, that's pretty. It says your new favorite skincare highlighter. And then it looks like that. Okay, okay. Isn't that so cute? I think their packaging is just on the next level. Like, just gonna squirt out a little bit to try. Oh, that's nice. Of course you can't see it. Ooh, oh, it smells just like watermelon. Oh my God. How cute is that? And look at the glow. Oh my God. And then the last thing, so this is my birthday gift. So I think they had like 4 choices, like Haircare and NARS and then the Laneige. So I got this Laneige. It has a lip sleeping mask, a water sleeping mask, and a little water bank moisture cream. So of course these are all many things. Look at the things say happy birthday to you, to me. Oh, these are so cute. So this is the lip sleeping mask. It's very tiny. Look at it. It's a trick. The words are bigger than the actual product inside, but that is so cute. I'm not tripping because I have so many of these, so I'm not even. The next thing in here is this little tiny water sleeping mask. It's so cute. It does have a bottom. These are so cute. They're, ooh, this looks nice. So they're super tiny, obviously great for travel. I've never tried this water. This feels, it's very cold to the touch. Doesn't really have a fragrance. This is nice. These are so cute. And then the last thing in here, like I said, is the Water Bank Moisture Cream. Another little tiny thing. Has a bottom though. This is so freaking cute. My arm is gonna be so hydrated by the end of this video. Ooh, this one kind of has a fragrance like Jergens lotion. Ooh, am I ashy? No. This one has a fragrance like Jergens lotion. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I like Laneige, so I ain't mad at it. And then the next thing I got two makeup items. I got this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. So I got it in the same shade as the liquid hydrating foundation. I'm a 440 in that, so I got a 440 in this. And I'll tell y'all, I really like this, but it's too dark for me, so I think I'm gonna have to go back and exchange it. But I did try this when I did my makeup just now. But look at the packaging on this, and then it has a little sponge, of course, it comes with. But it came out, oh, I just put a big old jab in it. You see how the sponge is so much darker than the pan? Like, I put this on and I was like, no, this is, so I think I'm gonna take it back and swap it for a lighter shade, because it is really light and really soft. I don't feel like it'll get cakey after a while, so I'm just gonna take it back and swap it for a lighter shade. The next thing I got was this mini airbrush flawless setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. I've heard good things, and I actually looked on the website like yesterday and it's sold out. This mini size sold out. I don't know if the full size sold out, but after the sale, I guess this mini is over with, so everybody must have wanted to try this product. So let me try it right now. Oh wait, let me not do it on my face first. It doesn't really have a smell. Oh yes, it does. It kind of has like a sweet, very light smell, but I don't mind it. Okay, I see why this is sold out. It feels nice. It feels really good. I don't know if it's how long it'll actually have your makeup setting, obviously, because I just opened it, but I could see why this is sold out. Next, I just picked up some hair care products. So these are the Olaplex. I just picked up the number 4 bond maintenance shampoo and then the number 5 conditioner. Again, these are the minis. I just wanted to try them because I had such good success with the number 3, what's it called? I don't know, treatment or something like that, the deep conditioner treatment. I buy those back to back. My hair really likes those, so I just figured I might try some other stuff from the line, so hopefully these are just as good. Then the last thing I added to my cart was this Ritual of Sakura. I don't even know if that's the, wait, no, the brand is called Rituals, and then this specific scent of foaming shower gel is called Ritual Sakura. I seen another one that was Ritual of something, but it was different. So this one is organic rice milk and cherry blossom scent. I think there's just one other scent. This looks, girl, how you open this? Oh, okay, here we go. Girl. Oh, this smells good. Oh yes. Ew, and it's very silky, it's thick. I like that about it. Oh, okay, so I seen this video. Of course, I was looking at all the other hauls on YouTube, and I seen her mention this, and this was only like $12. This size, it's a 6.7 fluid ounce, and it was only like $12. And I was like, this must be the cheapest thing ever at Sephora. So I just added it just because, you know, $12 would, and then plus the 15% off, I was like, that's nothing. Oh, I'm very satisfied with my purchases, even the Fenty Beauty, even though I'm gonna take it back and swap it for another shade, but that's nothing. And then I got a couple samples. This is a Christoph Robin aloe vera hydrating melting mask for all hair types. It feels pretty thick inside. I'm not about to open it. And then I got a fragrance sample. This is Valentino Bolse Viva. Hold on. This smells good. Okay. It's giving, it's not super sweet. It's almost like the Perfect Marc Jacobs, but not as sweet. More of a grown-up scent. I might have to go and pick that up. Girl, look at them getting me with the samples. Get out of here. Yeah, that was it. So I did make 2 separate orders. I'm not gonna get into why I did that. I made them on the same day and they came like 3 days apart, which was weird. This had to be shipped by ground, obviously because it's an aerosol, but it came faster than the rest of the, anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Let me know if y'all have any of this stuff and y'all enjoyed it. I think this is my first time trying everything that I have here. Let me know how you liked any of these things or what you got or what I should get next time, because this is definitely not my last time. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.